I want to talk about what delusions she indicated she was suffering from on December the 8th of 2020. And I want you to tell me what they are, specifically what the particular delusion was, and whether that related more to her general worldview or whether that related to Hannah and the acts that she committed against Hannah. Well, you have used the broad term, she suffered from delusions. And this jury is going to have to make findings about what particular delusions and how those related to the act.
Okay.
So I need you to try in terms of your professional capacity and in terms of the information you collected and what Ms. Driver specifically reported, because whether she had a delusion is not the issue. The issue is what the particular delusion was.
I understand.
So if you could tell me what the particular delusion was, and on December the 8th of 2020, I don't need to talk about her delusions from childhood, what her delusions were on December the 8th of 2020, and whether those related to and were connected to the act of murdering Hannah, or whether those were more worldview delusions.
Okay. She had delusions of reference.
Okay.
That don't appear to be related in any way to their worldview or religion. So I would put it under the particular delusion connected to the act.
And what delusions are you discussing?
Those are the delusions that everything in the world was telling her that she needed to kill herself and her daughter. That that's how she was interpreting things that people said, things that people did, objects in the environment.
Okay. Telling her to do it.
Well, she had specific things that she mentioned. She mentioned the people at the 12 tribes talking about accepting death.
Okay.
And that she interpreted that as being a specific sign that not only was she supposed to do that, but that this was the time. I believe she said something along the lines of, she was like, oh yeah, okay, that's it then, this is the time.
Okay.
So people talking about death, seeing knives in her vicinity. She had been talking about that both before and during the event.